Welcome back. Today we're revealing the secret weapon of your immune system, the thymus gland. This tiny organ is the boot camp for T cells, your body's elite defenders. But as we age, the thymus shrinks, weakening our immunity. The good news? There are proven ways to keep it strong. Let's dive into the top 5 strategies to boost your thymus and supercharge your immune system. Let's talk about simple yet powerful ways to invigorate your thymus and fortify your immune defenses. First up, exercise. Moderate regular movement isn't just good for your heart. It's a cornerstone of overall well-being. It's a game changer for your thymus, the unsung hero of your immune system. When you exercise, your muscles release IL-7, a fascinating molecule. This molecule acts as a messenger, helping the thymus produce fresh, robust T cells, the body's defense force. Studies show that consistent, moderate activity, the kind you can sustain over time, like brisk walking, a simple yet effective way to get your heart pumping, cycling, enjoying the outdoors while boosting your immune function, or swimming, a full-body workout that's gentle on the joints, can slow thymus aging, keeping it youthful and your immune system sharp and ready to respond. But don't overdo it. There's a delicate balance to strike. Too much exercise, pushing your body beyond its limits, can actually suppress immunity, leaving you vulnerable. The sweet spot, finding that middle ground where you challenge your body without overwhelming it. Aim for 30 to 45 minutes of moderate movement most days of the week. This keeps your blood flowing smoothly, ensuring optimal circulation, delivers vital nutrients to the thymus, and ensures your T cells are primed and ready for action, defending you against invaders. A sedentary lifestyle sends the opposite message, a signal of stagnation and decline. So get moving, break free from the chair, and embrace the power of movement. Remember, every step you take is an investment in your immune health, a step towards a stronger, more resilient you. Next, let's talk food, the fuel for your thymus. The choices you make in the grocery store and in your kitchen directly impact the health and vitality of this crucial gland. So, let's explore how to nourish your thymus through the power of nutrition. A colorful, antioxidant-rich diet brimming with vibrant fruits and vegetables is your thymus's best friend. It's the foundation upon which a strong and responsive immune system is built. Antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc protect thymus cells from damage, acting as a shield against harmful free radicals, and support T cell production, the very soldiers of your immune defense. These nutrients are essential for the thymus to function optimally. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, broccoli, nuts, seeds, spinach, lean meats, and pumpkin seeds are all thymus-boosting choices, providing the raw materials your body needs to maintain a healthy immune system. Zinc is especially crucial. Deficiency can shrink the thymus, hindering its ability to produce immune cells, and cripple your immune response, leaving you vulnerable to infections and illness. Aim to eat the rainbow. Each color in fruits and veggies brings unique antioxidants to the table, offering a diverse range of protection for your thymus. Red tomatoes, orange carrots, green spinach, and blue blueberries all help shield your thymus from oxidative stress, the cellular damage caused by free radicals. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods for maximum benefit, ensuring you're getting the full spectrum of nutrients your thymus needs. There's no magic pill, just a nutrient-dense, varied diet to keep your thymus resilient. What you eat today shapes your immune strength tomorrow. Make each bite count towards a healthier, more resilient you. Third strategy, stress less. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which can shrink the thymus and kill developing T cells. High cortisol tells your thymus to stand down, weakening your immune defenses, but you can fight back. Meditation, yoga, and deep breathing lower cortisol and protect your thymus. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing each day can make a difference. Studies show these practices reduce stress hormones and support immune health. The mind-body connection is real. Your mental state directly impacts your immune system. Make stress management a daily habit to keep your thymus and your immunity strong. A calm mind is a powerful shield for your body. Fourth, don't underestimate sleep. Quality rest is when your thymus gets to work, producing and training new T cells. Deep sleep reduces inflammation and boosts immune cell production. Miss a night, your T cell function drops, and chronic sleep loss accelerates immune aging. Melatonin, your sleep hormone, also acts as an antioxidant, protecting the thymus. Growth hormone released during sleep helps repair and even rejuvenate thymic tissue. Aim for 7-9 hours in a cool, dark, quiet room and keep a consistent sleep schedule. Good sleep hygiene is as important as diet or exercise for immune health. Prioritize sleep, your thymus depends on it. Finally, we arrive at a fascinating area of research, one that holds immense promise for enhancing immune health. Let's talk cutting-edge science, specifically thymic peptides and supplements. These are not your average vitamins, they represent a sophisticated approach to immune modulation. As we age, the thymus, the master regulator of our immune system, makes fewer peptides. This decline contributes to immunosenescence, the gradual weakening of the immune system. One crucial peptide is thymosin alpha-1, which is vital for T-cell production, the cornerstone of adaptive immunity. Without sufficient thymosin alpha-1, our ability to fight off new infections diminishes. Fortunately, scientists can now create these peptides in the lab, using advanced techniques like peptide synthesis. This allows us to potentially reboot the thymus, restoring its youthful function and enhancing immune resilience. Clinical studies show that thymic peptides can restore immune function, leading to improved health outcomes and a greater capacity to ward off illness. This is particularly beneficial in older adults or those with weakened immunity, who are more susceptible to infections and autoimmune diseases. They help the thymus produce more naive T cells, those fresh, unprogrammed immune cells ready to tackle new threats. Ultimately, this helps to balance immune responses, preventing both underreactivity and overreactivity, which can lead to autoimmune conditions. Beyond peptides, zinc and arginine supplements may also support thymus regeneration, providing additional building blocks for immune cell development. These therapies are powerful tools in the fight against immune decline and offer a more direct approach than lifestyle changes alone, although a healthy lifestyle remains crucial. But they're not for everyone. It's essential to proceed with caution. Always consult your doctor, a qualified healthcare professional, before starting any new supplement, especially peptides, as they can interact with other medications or have contraindications. The evidence for thymic peptides is strong, with numerous studies demonstrating their efficacy, but medical guidance is essential to ensure safety and optimize results. Targeted supplementation, guided by a healthcare professional, could be the most potent tool for thymus rejuvenation, unlocking a new era of immune health and longevity. Let's recap: exercise, eat the rainbow, manage stress, prioritize sleep, and consider targeted supplements. Each strategy supports your thymus and builds a resilient immune system. Thymic peptides stand out as the most direct way to rejuvenate the thymus, but a holistic approach is best. Combine healthy habits with medical guidance for the strongest results. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting new supplements. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment with your questions. Stay healthy and see you next time.